Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are going to deal with an AP Maths question on completing the square. Now this question, with literal coefficients a, b, and c, is in fact the derivation of the quadratic formula. If you remember, the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in fact, this answer must look like this if we've done it properly by the end. Okay, so the first step in completing the square is the coefficient of x squared needs to be 1. So we're going to divide everything by a. It's going to give us b over ax plus c over a. And I'm going to take that to the other side of the equation. Our next step then is to take this coefficient of x and divide it by 2. So dividing by 2 gives us b over 2a, and we square it, giving us b squared over 4a squared. And we add that to both sides. Then what we are left with is going to be a perfect square trinomial. So if we factorize this left-hand side, our factor is in there. So we have x plus b over 2a all squared, and then the right-hand side we write over a common denominator of 4a squared, so we have b squared minus 4ac. So it's starting to take shape, starting to look a little bit like our required to prove in some ways. Now we square root both sides. Don't forget about your plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And when you square root 4a squared, you get 2a. Then you can take this term over to the right-hand side. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is our quadratic formula. So this is in fact the derivation of that quadratic formula. So completing the square using literal coefficients a, b, and c. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.